firstly, we can start with a quick interview or like an introduction session where you can just introduce yourself, give your occupation, and you can just talk a little bit more about you and Tushar.
My name is Deepak Naidu, and as you all know, that Tushar is my son. And actually, I came to know about this Ganberry through the internet only, and that is how I approached you people. And I'm working in Qatar for the last 30 years, and I'm in the HR department, a senior position in the HR department, and this is how it is going on. And being here, I thought it's better I put Tushar, and basically he was interested in the medical line right from the beginning, you know. So and his main subjects were all this biology, physics, and chemistry. So that was the main reason we got into this. And it was, I mean, I did not go very deep into all the, I mean, the other other institutes, you know, like yours, education institute. I just randomly I was going through about this in the internet, whether I just wanted to see if somebody from Qatar is there. So when I saw this Ganberry, then I said, okay, and Dubai. And then I thought, okay, anyway, if there is anything to go to Dubai, we can go there. And at that time, you know, we knew that it is only, offline. The exams were offline. And it was not online. Because of this COVID only, it became online. So I thought it is okay going to Dubai and doing it, you know. But unfortunately, it became online, and so everything went on like that.
Yeah. So, sir, could you tell us a little bit about which university did Tushar get selected into, and what is the program that he's looking to apply to?
Yeah, he got selected for, firstly, he was selected for the Charles HK, Haradik, you know. And we paid the fees also for that. That wasn't, we had to do that, and they had a time frame, you know, within that time we had to pay. And second thing was he already gave the exam for the Charles First Faculty. And then we waited for that Charles Faculty. The results came, you know, last, when you people informed us. I think it was 10-15 days back. And basically, and we were not sure that we will, he will go through for the Charles First Faculty. And he said he will go. He said he did his papers nice. So I was not sure, because not sure in the sense he was prepared for the exam and everything, but considering the the competition, the number of students all over the world. I mean, I hope so. All over the world apply for that university. So I was little doubtful, you know. And when we got it, we were really happy. And basically the information we got from Ganberry, and the study material also we got from Ganberry. That was very helpful. And basically, actually, it was a very short time, you know. And we joined Ganberry. We registered Ganberry very lately, and it was not in December or November like that, you know. It was, I think, in March or something. I just registered, and that time he had his school exams also, and it was very fast, and everything went well.
Great, sir. Thank you very much for that.
Yeah.
So, could you let us know why, out of all the options that he's passed, you looked at First Faculty in specific?
Definitely, First Faculty is. I've consulted many people, and they said definitely First Faculty is the best. And considering the world ranking also, I think the First Faculty is among the top 1%. It comes under the 1% category. And I thought, okay, it's better to go for
Great, sir. Now, sir, I know you told me that, you just came across us on website and you thought to try us. But is there anything specific that you would like to highlight that you liked about our agency? That's why you made it, you decided that you'd go through our company.
See, basically means thing is there was some advantages for disadvantages for us being in Qatar. If I was in Dubai, definitely it would have been more useful for me. If I had any doubts, and everything was on the I mean, like WhatsApp text messages and all, emails and all. And that I really appreciate Ganbury. It was very quick from your side. Whatever response you have to give and whatever information you had to give and your follow-up was very great. I mean, that also helped us because the main thing is I joined very late. Yeah, my registration with you people was very late. And in that particular case, everything, goes smoothly and fast means it was really great.
Great, sir. That is very, very nice to know that, at very less time left, we were still able to manage things. So very nice that. Also, sir, when you worked with me and we spoke about the different medical options that we have, the extensive medicine partner network that we have, do you think they were really good enough? Were you satisfied with it? Or were there options that, you wanted to apply to, but you couldn't because they were not within our partner?
No, I did not go for any other universities, and I opted for this that package for that 5 universities, and I thought that will be okay.
So, we are more than happy hearing that. The second thing I would want to know, sir, apart from preparation, of course, we also know that following up and keeping in touch is very, very important. So we have tried our best to keep in touch with you, and we also tried to give you details through webinars and give all these mock exams before the entrance exam. So I want to know, sir, do you think these were very helpful and these kind of helped you make a decision to what you have right now?
Yeah, definitely. I think it was helpful to Tushar, and definitely he did that. And at the same time, he was not 100% prepared, but he was doing it. Preparing it, trying to be 100%. And because he had, the same time, he had exams in the school also. That was also one thing. And that is the main reason. And he did well, not.
So I'm sure the webinars that we had helped you get a better understanding about Charles First Faculty and how it works. Safety-wise, right?
Yeah, definitely it helped.
So, sir, because you've been through this entire process and you have gone through, you've taken our materials, you've seen how we've assisted you throughout the entire process. I want to know if there's any tips or recommendation or suggestions that you want to give future parents while they're starting for admissions, because now we have so many parents going to start with the process for next year medicine admission. So is there something you would like to give them, like to keep in mind when they're applying to universities?
Yeah, definitely. I think my registration with Ganbury, as I said, was very late. And definitely if parents are doing it well in advance, at least 5 to 6 months before, definitely it will help them. Because the students, they can prepare. Because what is happening is, some exams are coming during the board exams, like the entrance exams for the Charles and all these things, which happened in May. Actually, that time, if you see, as per the board schedule, CBSE board schedule, it was in May, So that should not clash, and they will not have time to study and all these things. So it is better to start, I think, minimum 6 months before, register with Ganbury and take them at study materials and do it, that will be very helpful for them. And
great, sir. I think that's what should be. I think that's a very nice advice for parents, because I'm sure, starting early will always help them. And will just give them time to think and make a decision also. Last question for the entire session that we've had. I just want to know, sir, an overall feedback that you would like to give any particular member in the, any particular team or, member of our team, or is there any specific event or, instance that has made you very happy? Would you like to share that with us, or just let us know?
I think all to whomever I was talking, I started, I think, with you only, not talking to you. And everybody was great, really. And their response was also very great and very quick, and that I appreciate very much. And there was no delay. And everyone, right from you and I think Mrs. Sukanya and Nancy and everyone was great.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It really means a lot, and we are very happy knowing that we were able to successfully place Tushar in spite of all the issues, but not an issue. All the best to Tushar and to you, and congratulations again, sir. Charles First Faculty is a very big achievement. So I wish you all the best, and I hope you like this journey that you're going to be spending the next 6 years in this.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.